Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enchant in Minecraft. Make sure you have an item you want to enchant in your hotbar and have an enchanting table ready. To maximize enchantments, place 15 bookshelves around the enchanting table in the following pattern. 1 block of air between the bookshelves and the table. In the enchant menu, you'll see 2 boxes. Left box, you can place item you want to enchant, like a stone sword. Place 3 lapis lazuli. In creative mode, you don't need lapis lazuli. The enhancement or the enchantment options will appear in the 3 slots on the right. Each enchantment has a level of requirement displayed at the number of experience levels you need. Hover over the enchantment options to see the name of the enchantment and its cost in lapis lazuli experience level. Click on the enchantment you want to apply to the item. Your lapis lazuli and experience points will be used, and the item will glow with the enchanted effects. Once enchanted, the item will be highlighted in purple and will have new powers. The item may have additional enchantments applied, not just the one you selected. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.